Keeping toddlers safe since 1953, worry-free safety. The Toddleroo by North States Superyard Colorplay Ultimate 2-panel extension is versatile and reliable, adding an additional 16 square feet of play space when used with the coordinating play yard. Amazing value, easy to install. Easily add this extension to the Toddleroo by North States Superyard Colorplay 6-panel play yard. Just insert the extension ends into the Superyard as directed. Convenient swinging door. The extension comes with a yellow panel and an easy red access door with a purple U-frame panel. The access door is easy to operate and includes a double lock for added security. Strong and secure. The extension panels fit together with the Superyard panels like a puzzle using a pin-plunger design for a secure fit. Assembly tip: as each panel unfolds, you will hear a clicking sound, which is the self-locking positioning feature. Please note, this extension is for use with the Superyard Colorplay 6-panel play yard, ASIN B006NTY1HK, item 8769, and is ideal for indoor or outdoor use. Superyard sold separately. Proudly made in the USA. Top reviews from the United States. Great for babies and toddlers. Got this when daughter was about 8 months old. Easy setup and able to add additional links to make it wider. We added the door attachment so that our now toddler can go and come as she wants. She sees it as her little space. Lol. Only negative is how flimsy it looks if she hangs on it. However, the fence never fell apart even with her pulling on it. We're expecting another little one and will save this fence for baby as well.